Partners is a local real estate development company that's been around for over 30 years. My husband started it following in the footsteps of his father, who was also a real estate developer.
PK Partners' biggest challenge was they had a great construction project they needed financing for in a rising rate environment. And so they needed to come up with a solution to minimize that interest rate risk as much as possible.
We were looking at getting a construction loan for an office building, and we knew it was only a 12-month construction period, but looking forward, we knew that interest rates could be higher at the end of construction, and we really wanted a permanent loan.
First priority for STARbank was to listen to the customer and really present them something that made sense. We didn't want to give them a bunch of loans that wouldn't meet their needs, and so we took a lot of time listening and hearing what they needed and then turning that into something that made sense.
Most people do a floating rate during construction and then they flip to a permanent rate. We locked our interest rate during construction such that as soon as construction was over, we knew what our interest rate was going to be.
The idea of fixing the loan during construction was kind of a new concept, so we were able to present that as a new idea to them, and they were very excited about it and ultimately ended up choosing that route.
I was most impressed with STARbank with their strong real estate knowledge. My background is in banking, and so I actually kind of thought that the large banks were the gold standard, and I was pleasantly surprised that it was not. And working with a more regional bank, when you know all the people and you see them on the street, you see them at charity events, you really feel like you know and you're dealing with the people that are making the decisions. I would recommend STARbank to business associates and tell them you won't be disappointed and you'll actually enjoy it, the whole process.